Hi guys! Today's video is about contact cement. No, it's actually about this, my broken glasses. So today we're going to fix these glasses, or an attempt anyway, to fix these glasses using contact cement. I've never used contact cement before, but basically it says it's all-purpose bonding. It works on plastic, vinyl, metal, tile, leather, rubber, and more. So it doesn't say it works on glasses, but you know, it should. So let's get started. Let's read the instructions and the warning. Warning: contents may catch fire. Contents may be harmful, may irritate eyes. Dangerous fumes form when mixed with other products. Do not mix with toilet bowl cleaner,
other acids, household chemicals, or any other household chemicals. Do not smoke, do not swallow, do not get in eyes, do not breathe fumes. Use only in well-ventilated area. Keep away from flames, such as pilot lights and any objects with sparks, such as electric motor. Keep out of reach of children. Wear a mask.
Oh my gosh, wear a mask. Wow. Okay, let's get a mask. Alright, so how do you open it? Now, you unscrew the cap, and when you unscrew the cap, you'll see that there's like a pokey thing in the top, and that's because right here it's sealed. So what you want to do is use the pokey thing and unseal your bottle. So just push it down and take it off like that. Holy shit. Why? Okay, don't let it touch your skin. By all means, don't let it touch your skin. Did it touch my skin? Okay, it didn't touch my skin. We're good, we're good. That was panicky. So I'll just give you the instructions while I put it together. You have to apply the product to the surface that you want to glue, which for me to be here. Yeah, they're not kidding about the fumes. My freaking eye is burning. And then you wait 10 minutes and then you glue them together. So I'm just gonna dip this guy in here. Or maybe I'll use this to apply it. Wait 10 minutes and then we'll press the two things together. So I'll be back after 10 minutes. Come on, come on. So the last couple of minutes I thought I would read the rest to you guys. It says contact cement is a flexible acrylic contact adhesive used to bond vinyl, upholstery, plastic, laminates, rubber, leather, and wood. No mess, no spilling, no dried out tube. The first aid treatment is, so if it's swallowed, call a poison control center or doctor immediately, and if person is alert, do not induce vomiting. In eyes, rinse with water for at least 15 minutes. I'd say be careful. Say 2. So we're just about up to 10 minutes. So at the 10-minute mark, I have to put the handle onto the glasses. Okay, that's good enough, right? Okay, no, let's wait. Yes! Now, I'm gonna move this guy over here. And I'm going to press together. So it says after I press it together, I have to wait half an hour. Oh shoot. I have to wait the consistency has changed. I have to wait half an hour to let it dry. Oh, yuck. It's all like goopy. Okay, it's kind of on. Wow. Before it was like just slipping on and off. Now it's really like tough to get in. Okay, one last push. Still turns. Okay. So I'm gonna let it dry like this. It says half an hour to dry. And then I guess I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like on my face. A half hour without glasses, that's gonna be fun. Ooh. So it's been half an hour. Feels pretty solid on there. Yeah, it's not slipping off. So there you have it. Contact cement. I'll show you how it looks in a second. So this is the final look. It's fixed. You can't even tell what side was broken. It was this side. And it's really like the same. It's a little bit loose and you can see it's a little crooked here. but it's not coming off at all. So, success. Would you recommend you use contact cement to fix your glasses, but just be safe because it's really very, very harsh.
Really soft tennis. Soft tennis. Really soft tennis. Soft tennis.